All right, what's up there, Big Energy Profits family? Welcome to the video. I'm going to recap the big idea that we're in. We bought this position long here on the open of Monday, January 22nd. We suggested some profit taking at three levels. The first one being 75.93. Roughly right there. I'm going to move my fat head out of the way so I can see. Looking at the portfolio, we talked about 77 for some additional profit taking, which is roughly right there. And then on the open of Sunday, I suggested a little more at 79. So that was that pop on the open Sunday evening. So all of this is in your in the BEP portfolio. So these are the levels we talked about taking profit. And the market is now falling back, and we're probably rapidly approaching the buy point within this candle. Okay, so it was buy at market on Sunday night, Monday morning, whenever you bought it. But we're probably going to experience some retracement here. Okay, we've rolled over with some significant volume. We've kind of intersected a whole bunch of channel structures here. We've cracked through today, settling below this short-term uptrend. And we probably take a pretty aggressive squat, I would imagine. This is probably even a possibility tomorrow of breaking 75. And if we break this channel structure, we probably head to 72. So my thought is this: if you heeded my, advice and whatnot, my thought process of taking profit where I had marked off and commented on these levels, you probably did pretty well. I would at least have my stop at break even. Maybe wherever you entered here in this candle, the market opened here at 73.60. So wherever you had entered in this candle, if you entered, I would think that it's not a bad idea to make sure that your stop is at least break even on whatever balance of the position that you have left. I am anticipating a test of probably 75 tomorrow. Okay, that's probably not out of the question. So take it from an educational perspective. Of course, I cannot offer you any financial advice. I cannot offer you any legal advice. I can certainly not tell you what to do by any means, as per the disclaimers that you see within our service here. But I think we calculated profit taking really well, these three spots here. And I feel like we're probably in for some form of retracement. Now, maybe we find support here and we pop back up, but maybe we don't. Okay. So again, wherever you entered here, let's just say, I don't know, let's just pick the middle of the candle, right? So you had a chance to pocket about 178 ticks at that profit-taking recommendation, 285 there, and about 485 ticks there. Did it go all the way to our next projected area? No. Is it still possible to? Yes. But it does look like we are rolling over here. So I'm just wanted to take a minute, shoot this video, kind of recap the whole trade as where we've gotten so far. There was a little short-term triple top up here. I did take a short into this area, and now I'm just a little concerned that we're going to fall a little bit deeper on the daily chart here. So again, do what you will. I certainly can't tell you what to do or give you any unique or personal financial advice, but I'll tell you what I would do. And what I would do is I would be making sure that my stop is at wherever my entry in this candle was. And I would have obviously taken profit where I heeded advice to take profit. We called the top within a few pennies here, right? The high was 79.29. If you look at the notes that I put on the portfolio off to the right side, additional profit taking suggested at 79, and the publication said for Mondays to take profit around 78.5. So this area here looks like we're in for a reversal. You can see big pressure day today. Tomorrow support would come in somewhere around 74, 75. So we could definitely push through that 75 round. And if we break this, and for the week particularly, which would be tomorrow, settle below the short-term channel line, we probably squat into 72 pretty aggressively. So again, I know I'm repeating myself a few times, but I just want to make sure that you understand where I'm coming from and why I'm coming from this approach. So just like I had, on the last short big idea, had heated taking some profits, I do that because this is what I do every day. I analyze this stuff. So here nor there, it is what it is. If we squat, great. But if we find support here and push back higher at 75, that psychological number, that's great too. I just don't know that if we fall through this channel line, there's a better than not chance that we do take a much steeper correction. And in doing that, I know that I'm not going to hold any of my position because I just don't think that it's worth doing, not when we had opportunities to take almost 500 ticks of profit. So hope this video finds you well. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're enjoying the service. If I can do anything for you, of course, feel free to reach out to myself or my team. I'd be happy to help. But here was the trigger to buy at the market, and sell one was here. The second one, the recommendation was here. The third one was here. And I am heeding caution at this time. If we fall through 75, particularly settle below 75 tomorrow, below this short-term channel structure, I believe we probably squat into 72. I can tell you that I'm not going to be holding any long positions through any of that, and you can ultimately do as you desire. So God bless, guys. Hope you're well, and I will talk to you all soon.